What's up? Okay. Bar unit, which when you had it on heat, the cooling will come on. So what I found was they had the reversing valve for heating energized on L instead of the B. So it would turn on cooling instead of heating. And I thought it was a thermostat. So I replaced the thermostat. But I put the old one back and I'm gonna test it right now. Let's see. Just gotta wait for it to turn on with that delay. Bar unit. A year old. My backpack. It's pretty cool. I guess when they installed it, they reversed those wires because they're the same color. Man, I hate these delays. Like 5-10 minutes. Trailer parking. Where are the heater strips on?